Whenever we are delivering the application to the client, this is a client, we are delivering the application, and client will be giving this application to the live. Live means end users who are finally using, and which users purpose they are developing this application, that users they need to give to this application, these users to give the application. So in this manner they can giving the application to the end users. Now these end users start the using the application. Whenever end users start the using the application, in that situation they are facing some problems, that all the problems make it as a task and assign to the one company. That company will be rectifying, releasing the patches, releasing the small programs, that's what we are calling as the patches. That patches, if you install, whatever we are facing the problems, that will be overcome. So this process we are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling this process we are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling. Once again, whenever delivery phase, delivering the application to the client, that application client will be releasing to the live, means giving to the end users for the accessing. Now end users whenever access and start the using, they are facing some problems, that all the problems and errors we can find out and make it as a task assigned to the one company. That company will be rectifying. To rectify purpose they are giving the some patches. Using that patches we can go for the here. Using that patches we can go for the here, installing that patches, that problems will be solved. That is the reason only, if you see Windows XP Service Pack 1, Windows XP Service Pack 2. What is this Service Pack means? This is the patches. Whenever they are releasing the XP, Windows XP, in that situation they are facing some problem. To overcome that problem they are developing the some patches. And again some other problems, patches. Like that we have the Windows XP Service Pack 1, Windows XP Service Pack 2, Windows XP Service Pack 3. Like that we have. So same manner they need to maintain. This is we are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling this. We are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling. So in this manner we need to go for the normal maintenance. And one more thing is there. We have the one more is continuous maintenance is it. This is a normal maintenance. What is a normal maintenance? Whenever end user is using the application, in that time they are facing some problems, that all the problems make it as a task assigned to the company. That company rectifying purpose, developing some program, that we are calling as a patch. That patch released to the market, and who are facing the problem, that they can install. Whenever they can install, and these all the patches whenever they can install, and all the problems will be solving. So these process we are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling. Coming to the continuous maintenance. What is the continuous maintenance? This is a client. And releasing the application to the market, and this is a company. Okay, whenever releasing the application company to client will be releasing to the market. In that situation, company people, one of the team, developer, test engineer, some team will be going for the client place, and that team will be working 24/7 for that application maintenance purpose. If any problem is coming, this team will be automatically interacted, and as early as possible they need to solve that problem. So these team we are calling as a continuous maintenance. We are calling this process we are calling as a continuous maintenance. Whenever company delivering the application to the client will be giving to the access to the end users. In that situation, they are facing some problem. That all the problems to overcome. Company onwards, one team is coming to the client place, and 24/7 they are maintenance they are giving this team. If any problem is coming, immediately they are reacted and they can overcome. This is we are calling as a continuous maintenance. We are calling this. We are calling as a continuous maintenance.
Continuous maintenance.
So this is we need to go for the continuous maintenance. Otherwise, we can go for the normal maintenance. Here, normal maintenance is nothing but difference. See, this is a normal maintenance. See, this is a one company. This is a client. Okay, releasing the application. End users are using that application. They're facing some problems. That problems all find out, make it as a task, and that task assigned to the company. Company people will be rectifying and releasing the patch. They're releasing the patch, and that patch if you install, and that problems will be overcome. This is we are calling as a normal maintenance. But a continuous maintenance not like that. Company onwards, one team will be coming to the client place and sit in the client place and continuously 24/7 they are observing the application. If any problem is coming, immediately they are finding and they can solve as early as possible. This is we are calling as a norm. This is we are calling as a continuous maintenance. But this is we are calling as a normal maintenance. Normal maintenance is nothing but, so whenever problem is facing, all the problems sending to the company. In company only, one team will be working, overcome, releasing the patches to the client. This is a process normal maintenance. But continuous maintenance not like that. Company onwards, one team will be going to the client place, and that client place 24/7 they are observing the application. If any problem is coming, immediately they can overcome and they can solve that problem. So this is a continuous maintenance. This is we are calling as a normal maintenance. We are calling. Okay. Whenever